What is the difference between print and println? One way of thinking about it is making a parallel with editing text in any text editor, like Notepad for example. Print would just print everything in one line. For example, we want to print text, and then we want to print another text and another text. It will all go in one line. While println would print everything in a new line of text. So with every piece of text that we print, it will be printed in a new line. We're going to print one piece of text, then enter, then next piece of text, then enter, then next piece of text. Println is short for print line, and it's similar to clicking enter to get a new line when writing text. Let's check it out in code. Here we have print with text1, text2, text3. When we execute this, we can see that it's all printed in one line. But if we try println, we're gonna get text1, text2, and text3 in each of its own lines. Let's try it out. Here it is. Text1, text2, text3. All in their own line when we use println.